Let me show you how to make this bowl cozy if you don't have a pattern. Hi guys, previously I made bowl cozies with a pattern. Now I'm going to show you how to make them without a pattern. First, you're going to start with 2 pieces of fabric that are 10 inch by 10 inch, and then you are going to also need 2 pieces of Wrap and Zap batting that is slightly smaller. The first thing you're going to do is sew a line right here and a line here to basically create an X so that you can sew on that batting. Make sure your thread is 100% cotton, your fabric is 100% cotton, and also your batting would be 100% cotton. Okay, now that I have the X on here, I'm going to fold this in half, and then I am going to measure to cut out the notches. Well, I'm actually going to sew them. So I've got my measuring tool and my pen. So on the side, you're going to measure up 1 inch. And then over here, you will measure 2 inch. And then you're going to draw a line. Now you're going to sew right on those lines. Now I need to find my scissors. Here they are. Okay, and then I'm just going to snip this off. Now I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold it this way, and I'm going to do the same thing all over again. So right now, this one looks like that, and I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing right over again for this one. So now my lining is done, and here is the other one. I'm going to turn this one right side out. I'm going to line up the seams, and I'm going to pin them or clip them. Okay, so now I'm going to sew all the way around the top, but I am going to leave a little gap so that I can turn this right side out when I'm done. So now I'm going to pull the fabric through this hole. Okay guys, now I'm almost finished, but I do need to close up that hole that I left to turn this right side out. So I am just going to do a top stitch all along here, and that will close that up. And that is my finished bowl cozy.